guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing my October Boxycharm unboxing. This month there was a bunch of different colors of Kat Von D lipsticks we could have got and a few other items. I think it was a mask, a hair mask, a pharmacy balm, and what's the other thing? Oh, a hand cream by Ahava, I think. But I'm going to go on into my box, and the first thing I'm seeing is the Dermovia lace kill mask. You get 2 masks and a bottle of cream stuff, I guess. I'm going to open it to see what it looks like. So you get these little mask things in there. Like that. So you get 2. Maybe that is 2. I hope so, because that's the only one that's in there. I don't know. That was the only thing that was in mine, was one of those little things, unless they're stacked on top of each other. And you get the black bamboo charcoal peel off mask stuff. Okay, the next thing I'm seeing is the It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. I haven't opened any of this stuff, by the way. None of it. That's what it looks like, the bottle. And that's what the wand looks like. Okay, the next thing I got was the Pharmacy Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. It don't really have a smell. It kind of has a scent of the Dr. Brandt face mask that we had gotten in a few boxes ago. It kind of has like a little hint of that. That doesn't smell bad. I'm going to try it out. The next thing I got was the Everlasting Lipstick by Kat Von D in the shade K-Dub. Yet another pink lipstick. So it looks like. I will swatch it on my arm. Once again, a pink. I don't know what it is about them sending me pinks. I cannot wear pinks. I look crazy in pinks. The next thing I have in here is the Pure Midnight Masquerade palette. Trying to get into it. That's what the thing looks like. Palette. And that's the inside. It has these little separators in there. And I will insert some swatches here. The first one is a highlight. The 2 second ones, actually, I think it's supposed to be a bronzer. It's possibly supposed to be a highlight. The brown one. And then we got 2 blushes. And then all the eyeshadows. The Kat Von D Everlasting Lipstick is $20. And the Green Clean is $22. I like just about everything except for the pink lipstick and the fact that I only got 1 mask, and Tried to mess with it to see if maybe they were stuck together, but I don't think they are. Pretty sure I only got one mask in my box because I don't see it anywhere. So, but everything else I'm pretty happy with. I am really excited that I got the Green Clean. I really wanted this, and so I'm happy I got it. I will also be doing the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus unboxing whenever I get it. It says I'm supposed to get it, I think, the 15th. So we will see. And what else was it? I think that was it. But anyways, I hope y'all like this video. Subscribe to my channel if you want more videos like these. And I'll see you next time. Bye.